As companies such as OpenAI and Google continue to make massive strides with their work with AI, it only makes sense that other companies would seek to join the party. After all, AI is said to be the future, and week by week, we see how this idea is manifesting. With that in mind, we can only say that it was only a matter of time until companies such as Amazon launched their own AI models. Let's see what the brainchild of Jeff Bezos has for us as they delve into the AI industry. Brand new AI models. The first thing that we take into consideration when we observe Amazon attempt to push their AI products into this industry is that they have come up with several models that would be suited for the user's needs. The first of these is Nova Micro, a text-only model. This means that this model is fed text and outputs in order to function. Rapid and cost-effective. Upon several stages of testing and experimenting, the guys at Amazon saw that they really enjoyed making use of it, especially when they are trying to complete tasks that they consider to be simple and easy. As great as this quick and easy model may be, it seems as though the developers at Amazon were somewhat even more excited when it comes to the multimodal models that they had created. With these multimodal models, the user can input anything that may come in the text, image, or video format, making it perfect for a wide variety of needs or tasks. Known as Nova Lite, Nova Pro, and Nova Premier, the users may be delighted to find that these models are available for use as we speak. Performance levels. Considering the benchmarks set by these models, the user may find first of all that the Micro model is actually considered to be a competitive model. When compared to some of the more established models of its ilk such as Gemini or DALL-E, you'd find that Micro is competing with all these models on the benchmarks. This is especially the case when you look at the light versions of these well-established AI models. Compare Micro or Nova Lite to models such as OpenAI's ChatGPT 4o Mini, you may find that Lite is just as good, if not better, on 17 to 19 different benchmarks. The same is the case when compared to the Lite version of Gemini. As such, you can say that Micro and Lite are pretty ready to go toe-to-toe with some of the best AI models that are in the market today. When you take a look at Pro, it should perhaps come as no surprise that the same is the case in this situation. When you compare it to the likes of GPT-4o, you may find that Nova Pro is just as good, if not better, in about 17 of the 20 benchmarks. The same is the case when compared to Gemini, as it is just as good, if not better, than the Google AI model in 16 out of the 20 benchmarks. Even when compared to the best model of this class, the Sonnet Vive 2.3.5, you will find that Nova models of that class will be just as good, if not better, in some factors. As such, users may find that they may have another alternative AI model that may be just as good, if not better, than what is already out there. Consider the affordability of this AI model alongside its level of performance, and you may find that Amazon is indeed ready to join the party when it comes to the AI industry. Just take a look at the Nova Premier model. Recently revealed to be available in the near future, i.e. the Q1 timeframe, it is said to be another very competitive model as it is set to smash through the competition, even those that believe to be on its level. The positives. Looking at these models, it may be tough for the customer to ignore them when they are finally made available to the public. For starters, we have already pointed out that the Nova AI models will be one of the most affordable or cost-effective AI models when they finally hit the market. As great as this may be, there are other great positives, such as the fact that they are fast. In fact, Amazon reps are so confident about how fast their AI models are that they claim that these AI models are the fastest in the market when it comes to latency. There is also the fact that these Nova models are greatly integrated with all the features and bedrocks that any model provider can use. This means that, for example, users can perform fine-tuning exercises that would vastly improve the performance of the AI model. As if that isn't decent enough, users would find that the Nova AI models are integrated with distillation features. Said distillation features allows the user to infuse bigger models into smaller models, a move that would allow for an even more cost-effective model that has a lower rate of latency. To take things up a notch, the developers of these AI models optimized these models so that they could work with their proprietary systems and APIs. This allows the users to carry out multiple orchestrated automatic steps with these Nova models. With such features, it is understandable that the users cannot wait until they get their hands on such highly touted AI models. Canvas and Rio. Looking at the new set of AI models released by Amazon, it is clear that they are doing all they can to meet the various needs of their potential users. They seem to think about the customers that are looking to do more with generative AI models, in the hopes that they could do a bit more than just produce outputs for their texts or prompts. For example, said users may have a lot of need for images and videos to carry out projects involved in industries such as marketing or advertising. With that in mind, Amazon decided to bear the costs of pulling such a project off so that they could give us Amazon Nova Canvas, Amazon's cutting-edge art image AI generation model, and Nova Rio, an easy-to-use video generative AI model. Looking at Canvas, it is certainly an exciting new AI model, especially as it allows the user to input natural language text in order to get beautiful studio-quality images. It is so great that it allows the user to edit images just with the use of natural language. It also gives the user control of color layout when generating images, and it has built-in control that will give the user more direct use of the AI model. This is a great AI generative model, especially when benchmarked with other AI models of a similar nature. When compared to the best AI models in this niche, I.E, and Diffusion 3.5, you'll find that Canvas outperforms both models when it comes to image quality and instruction following. Pretty amazing stuff. Then there is Rio, the AI generative model that is said to be able to create stunning studio-quality videos for the user. Not only that, it gives the user full control of the camera and the ability to edit the video with watermarks and other forms of content moderation. At this point in time, Amazon revealed their plans to give Rio the ability to make 6 seconds video, a move that was taken because this seems to work really well for those who may use it for their marketing and advertising projects. If this proves to be successful, there is every chance that Amazon will extend this time limit to about 2 minutes. Although there aren't any other video generative services with an API, Amazon was able to benchmark this AI model alongside other similar AI models. Despite this limitation, the results seem to be in favor of Amazon's AI generative model, thereby making it one of the best AI models in the market at this point in time. What's next? With these frontier models now available to the public, Amazon has now turned their attention to creating the second-generation versions of these models. With that in mind, the reps at Amazon are certain that they would be able to give us text-to-speech versions of these models. If this proves to be successful, they would only need a few more months to give us any-to-any model versions of their AI, thereby making them all fully multimodal. The future is indeed bright, as we look to be able to process any format with these AI models in the months to come. With any luck, such moves will help Amazon achieve their goals as they delve into the world of AI,